gas laws tells us about the behavior of gases. Behavior of gases. Now we are looking at Gay-Lussac's law. Gay-Lussac's law. This law is one of the laws that explains to us the behavior of gases when they react in combining volumes. The law states that when gases react, they do so in volume which bear a simple ratio to one another and to their products if gaseous, provided temperature and pressure remains constant. Remains constant. When gases react, they do so in volume which bears a simple ratio to one another and to their products if gaseous, provided temperature and pressure remains constant. That is Gay-Lussac's law. In Gay-Lussac's law, what it's simply telling us is that gases will react in ratios. For instance, now, let's look at an example. Suppose carbon dioxide as a gas gotten from incomplete combustion or burning of carbon react with oxygen, to form carbon dioxide. Alright, now we look at it. This reaction is in ratio 2 to 1. That is 2 volt, 1 volt. And here we have how many volts? We have, this is the ratio with which this reaction is able to, combine. So this is the ratio. So 2 carbon here, 2 carbon here. Then 4 oxygen here, 4 oxygen here. So it's in the ratio 1 to 1. That is the ratio, just as it has been explained. So they do so in volume. This carbon dioxide reacts with oxygen, 1 volt oxygen, then 2 volt of the product CO2, 2 volt. That is what it is. So now when gases react, they do so just like as I've explained. Suppose we cannot break this down to a calculation. When calculating the Lussac law, these are the important things you have to bear in mind. What do you bear in mind? Number one, you will have to note, the ratio with which they combine. And most of the time, the questions that are asked are such that you may be asked to find out the residual gas, the volume of residual gas, volume of the residual gas. You may be required to find the volume of the residual gas. And also, you may be required to calculate the excess or reacted gases. These are just what you have to note there. Now let's look at an example such as this. So look at this example such as this. So now let's look at this example. 200 cm³ of CO, that's carbon dioxide, were reacted with 500 cm³ of oxygen. What will be the volume of excess unreacted gas. That is exactly what I told you. CO reacting with oxygen to form CO2. So gas, gas, gas. We're told that this is 200, and what you expect here, 100. So that's how it is. Excess unreacted gas will be 500, okay, minus 100 cm3. So it's going to be what? This is going to give us 400. Suppose we are now asked for that to find out the residual gas, the volume of residual gas. Volume of residual gas. Residual gas will be 400 cm3 or excess unreacted gas plus the volume of product. The volume of product is, that's to say, you have 400 cm3 plus 200 cm3. That gives us 600 cm3. So that's all. So we'll continue the next section. We'll treat more examples, more calculations on Gay-Lussac's law. Thank you.